Welcome to Hip Kit Club. My name is Shara. Today I'm showing you a quick video on how to make some party favors. I really enjoyed how these turned out. They're fairly simple and pretty quick. This one took me about 15 minutes. I did edit the video, of course, but 15 minutes is not bad compared to what sometimes these crafts may take us. So this is my quickest tutorial to date. And I'm pretty proud of it because it comes out cute and they're, like I said, fairly simple. So this is a 5x5 square. You can do these any size square that you want. Of course, the bigger the square, the more things you can stuff in it. I wanted to keep it fairly small, so that's why I did the 5x5. When you fold that, you just turn it on a diagonal and bring one corner to the center. There's really no, I just eyeballed it. I did fold the paper to give me a guideline, sort of folded it. I only creased the tips of them, but I didn't even use the fold. I literally just folded one end towards the center and then overlap the second end. If it comes out a little uneven, that's fine too. My other two weren't exactly even, but you want to make sure there's enough of a gap so you can glue the pieces together. For this one, I use mostly of the June or the May Hip Kit Club kits. And I did for the other ones I'm going to show you, I used for one of them April's hip kits, but I will link them down below for sure. I was going to put a tassel on all three of them, but I thought it looked kind of like a graduation cap, so these are cute for graduation gifts, but I didn't want them all to have that feel, so I only put it on this one. This one came together fairly quickly. I tend to take a long time doing the embellishing because I'm so undecisive. It takes me forever. This one, all the pieces just happen to work. That sticker I thought was super appropriate. It says be kind to others. And then the okay hand was like, okay, yes, like of course. And then the don't compare, which is so appropriate for all of that. Don't compare, don't compare yourself to others. Don't compare your work to others. Just be you and be true. So I felt that's what this kind of said. So it just worked together. Sometimes I'm not so lucky and I'm scratching my head and I spend a half hour on something and then don't even use any of the pieces and start all over. So those pop dots, I actually had to back them again with the glue because the other side that you peel off is so stuck on them. It peels off the chipboard when I go to take it off. That's just a little piece of foam, an 8x11 foam sheet that I cut because there's two layers and this sticker is going over one layer and then on the left side it's two layers. So I had to kind of make it even so it would sit nice and flush. So this glue gun is just a cheapy glue gun I've had forever. It's nothing special. Sometimes it doesn't even work, but it does the job and it works. Eventually it melts the glue and that's all you need it for. So you don't need any fancy schmancy glue gun. These stars, I literally just stuck the stars on as they were. I usually glue them. I probably will go back and hot glue them on only because they seem to stick, but then if you're sending it away in the mail to somebody, when I watch their videos, sometimes they pop off and I hate that. So I probably will back it. This I'm adding the tassel. I use one of my eyelets from my stash. It jumps off of the project here. It drops on the floor. It takes me like 5 minutes to find it. Then it does it again. I put it in and it pops off again and goes onto the table. So this one did not want to get smushed, but in the end I got him. I do hope you make one of these. Again, it was very quick. This is my shortest video ever, so I hope that I inspire you to try them. As always, thank you for your support. At the end of the video, I will show you all three of them, and then I will also show you how I stuff them. So be sure to check out the end, and like always, thank you very much. Happy crafting, and see you next time.